Let's continue to look at the second half of monohybrid inheritance. But before that, let's recall the definition of monohybrid inheritance. It involves inheritance of one characteristic and contrasting traits controlled by a gene. So look at this photo, look at this figure. Mendel crossed a purebred tall characterized by capital T, both capital T, pea plant with a purebred dwarf characterized by both small letter T, pea plant. The cross product between the two purebred plants was F1 generation. Okay, this is F1 generation, first filial generation, with the genotype of all small t and big T, capital T, okay, after fertilization, and their phenotype is that all the offsprings are tall. This shows that the tall trait is dominant, whereas dwarf trait, small t, is recessive. Okay, Mendel carried on to crossed F1 generation by self-pollination. So this is going to produce offspring, okay, in the F2 generation, second filial generation, with genotype of both capital T1, a capital T and a small t, 2, both small t1. Okay, and the phenotype is that tall to dwarf is 3 to 1, and by percentage it is 75 to 25, tall to dwarf. Okay, let's look at the explanation. So we have the parental generation here, the dominant purebred, and also the recessive purebred. Okay, both alleles are dominant, characterized by capital B, both capital B, therefore dominant trait for flower color characteristics. In this case, which is purple, is expressed, and that is the phenotype, what we see with our eyes. Both alleles are the same, therefore genotype is called homo. Same means homo. Homozygous dominant. Okay, let's look at another parent with both alleles recessive, characterized by both small letter b for flower color characteristics, which is white, is expressed, phenotype, what we see with our eyes. Both alleles are the same, therefore genotype is called homozygous recessive. Hybrid, okay, that means the product that is produced from mating of the two purebred plants. This is called the first filial generation, the F1, consists of both dominant allele and recessive allele, a capital B and a small b. Therefore, the dominant trait for flower color purple is expressed. Recessive trait, in this case, it is not observed because it is suppressed by the dominant trait. Both alleles are different, as you can see here, so we call this genotype heterozygote.